Hello everyone.
Hello.
I welcome you all for the thermal laboratory. So today we have a two-stage twin cylinder air compressor. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the construction and working of this twin cylinder compressor. So have you seen anywhere in the compressor in anywhere? Megaoceanic?
So we have seen these compressors in thermal labs.
Thermal lab. Okay. Joshua?
Sir, I have seen in large scale industries.
From the sound.
I have seen in large scale industries.
Akash?
I have seen in puncture repair shops.
Okay.
And I have seen automobile shops.
Okay. Gideon?
Actually, compressor in fluid mechanics.
Fluid mechanics. Okay. So whatever it may be, thermal lab, puncture repair shop, or fluid mechanics lab, or somewhere, it is used to provide a compressed air. Okay. So have you seen that compressed air can be applied in anywhere? Megaoceanic?
So they can be applied in pneumatic motors.
Okay.
So they can be applied in pneumatic actuators.
Actuators. Yes.
It can be applied in two-wheelers and four-wheelers wheels.
Wheels, tires. Okay. To inflate tires. Rajesh?
They may be applied in air brakes.
Air brakes. Yes.
It is used in robotic arms.
Robotic arms. Okay. So what you are telling is exactly right. It is used in several applications. So for these applications, we need a compressed air. So usually the compressed air, the air is compressed above the atmospheric level, atmospheric pressure. So that is called the gauge pressure. So gauge pressure is the pressure. It is measured by the pressure gauge. When the pressure is above the atmospheric pressure, so that we are measuring gauge pressure. So if you are adding atmospheric pressure and gauge pressure, it becomes absolute pressure. Okay. So coming to the construction, it has two cylinders. So the air is compressed from two stages. Okay. So the air initially is taken from the atmosphere and it is filtered. So once it is filtered, it is sent to the cylinder. So here we have a reciprocating cylinder. Have you all seen that engine? You know, we are having a cylinder block, piston, valves, everything is there now. The same setup is there for here also. So this compressor wheel is connected with the motor, and when we give the power, this wheel is about to rotate. At the bottom, we have a crankshaft and connecting rod. So the crankshaft is connected with the connecting rod, and at the end of the connecting rod, we have a piston. So the piston is used to compress the air. Okay. So why we need a two-stage compression? Once we compress the air pressure is increased. Once the pressure is increased, the temperature is also increases. Have you all studied the PV diagram in thermal engineering? Once you reduce the volume, the pressure increases. And also TS diagram. Once you reduce the volume, the pressure and the temperature is also increases. So when you handle with the compressed air with high temperature, we cannot compress it more further. So for that we are in the need of second stage compressor. Okay. So you can able to see once the air is compressed in the piston, okay, the outlet valve opens, it delivers the air to the intercooler. In between the center pipe is there, no, provided with fins, that is called the intercooler. So intercooler is used to cool the air, cool the compressed air. Then again it is sent into the second stage compression. Then after compression in the second stage, it is sent to the reservoir. Okay, we can store the air in the reservoir. In the reservoir, it is provided with the pressure gauge. We can measure the pressure of the air that is stored in the cylinder. Okay. In the second stage also, we have inlet and outlet valve. So once the air is compressed and it is discharged to the second stage, the inlet valve of second stage cylinder opens and the piston draws the air, and it is second stroke, it is compressed. Then it is sent to the exhaust valve open and it is stored in the reservoir. To reduce the friction, always the setup is immersed in the oil. Here at the bottom you can check the oil level. The lubrication is done at the bottom. Okay, so this is how the two-stage compressors are working. So I hope this lecture is useful for you. Thank you for being a part of lecture. Thank you all.
Thank you.